What's up, little ducks, and welcome back to Tuesdays with Tesla. Let's check it out, guys. Tesla is in a ugly downtrend. Look at that, okay? And it still hasn't broken out from the time that it hit all-time highs, guys, up here. And you can tell on the way down, I mean, it is just banging its head on that resistance line right there, guys. They tried to break out once right here and didn't make it, and so now we are headed back down. We hit it again here, guys, on Friday, and check it out. Okay, we are headed down. So we broke 399. We broke, or we're going to break 387 in the morning, and we will continue that. Now we will go up a little bit, guys, because there's a thing called Fibonacci. So there is some good news if you want to buy some calls in the morning. But this support here, 382, this is the last chance for Tesla. Okay, so for right now, I am calling 380, guys, and 370 on Tesla. We are going downtown, guys. Okay, and there is no stopping this train. Now, check out this fair value gap, guys. This is exactly where they're going to start losing their stuff, guys. And look at this. We can make it to 354 on Tesla, guys. Guess what? After that, you're going to have some nice support, okay? So don't worry. If you buy Tesla, you have to be able to stomach some of this red here, guys. And it's about to happen. If you're like me, you bought puts overnight, guys. And there is some good news. Once we get down to this 479 area, guys, which will be right around in here, we will see a leg back up to about 402, at which Tesla has to make a decision. Will there be orders waiting here so that it can keep going up and we can make a challenge for this entire leg of orders here that is waiting to buy and sell Tesla? But it looks like there's more sales, guys. So 452 is still going to be a challenge. So it looks like to me that 355, we're going to be very, very conservative, and we're going to call 355 for Tesla, guys. Right now we're looking at 380, then 355, guys. When I say those numbers, I'm not telling you when. If you understand Fibonacci, you know when. Now, if you're in the bull ring with me, guys, you see that we already started the 720 strategy, guys. So that means that we have Tesla already crossing the 50-day EMA on the 7-minute, guys. And guess what? We're about to do the same on the 20-minute. So 403 is going to be a nice little challenge in the morning for Tesla, as it makes its way up to the 413 area. And let's see if they can challenge that. Remember, Tesla's ATR is about 20 something dollars and change, guys. So don't expect Tesla to get past the 420 area. So we'll be very, very greedy here and say 420. Okay, and then we should see Tesla come back down, guys, and make its way down towards the 379 area. Now, these pullbacks here, guys, this is part of Fibonacci. So when I tell you 379, it doesn't mean you wake up in the morning and boom, we're down there, okay? It's going to take a process to get this done. So Tesla will be headed down. Let's just call it 380, guys, for Tesla. And for now, guys, I will tell you that is a super cheap price to buy Tesla with everything that's coming up, guys. See you in the next video.